Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about the number one factor that determines which bankruptcy you can file in St. Cloud, Minnesota. Um, a lot of people think, well, does it have to do with the size of my debt? If I have a lot of debt, maybe I've got to do a 13. If I don't have a lot of debt, maybe I can do a Chapter 7. Um, And I want to make sure we're on the same page because, of course, you get relief with either bankruptcy. Chapter 13 uh, is a government sponsored debt consolidation plan where you make payments back to your creditors, but it's based upon what you can afford to pay. And in the normal plan, whatever doesn't get paid off gets wiped out, tax free. So you might have 100 grand in credit card debt. If only 10 grand gets paid off, 90 grand gets wiped out tax free. That's a good deal. Chapter 7, of course, is the reset button. No debts get paid back, the debts are just wiped out. It turns out that the biggest determining factor as to which bankruptcy you must file has to do with your disposable income. You see, if you've got the ability to make payments back to your creditors, you've got to do it. And that's true whether, you might make $12, $14 an hour, or you might make $100,000 a year. And conversely, if you're making 100 grand a year and you don't have the ability to pay anything back because of your expenses, well, then you can file a Chapter 7. So the biggest determining factor in which bankruptcy you file or required to file is going to be your disposable income. And of course, a lawyer can help you with this that's qualified when the time is right, when you are ready. Reach out to Minnesota's oldest bankruptcy law firm since 1972 by visiting us at canescott.com. Click the button above, you'll be glad you did. Have a good day.